Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to share with you this beautiful, delicious Misir or lentil stew. It's one of my favorites because it's made with my favorite spice, which is cloves. So first thing first, we are going to wash our lentils and boil it. You can also soak the lentils ahead of time. That will speed the process. But I'm just going to boil the first water and drain off and add a boiling water to it and let it continue to cook. While that's cooking, we are going to go ahead and cook our onions with its own juice. Once the lentils are cooked, we are going to set that aside and continue to cook the onions. The onions are soft, so we're going to go ahead and add berbere spice. Also, we need to reduce the heat at this stage because it will stick to the bottom of the pan. So I added about 2 tablespoons of oil, added about 2 tablespoons more, so about 4 tablespoons of oil, and then about half tablespoon of turmeric. It will give the lentils a very beautiful bright gold color. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to continue to mix and let the onions cook. And here is garlic paste. Then we're just going to cover for a few minutes and just keep an eye on it and keep stirring. So over here I'm adding 2 large crushed peeled tomatoes. That's totally optional, but it does add natural sweetness to it. Here I added a teaspoon of freshly grounded cloves spice. I'm just adding about a tablespoon of Ethiopian spice butter. That's totally optional. You can leave that out if you're vegan. And then salt. So we're just trying to build as much flavor as possible before we add the lentils. And then go ahead and add the lentils and give it a good mix. And then reduce the heat to low. Cover it and let it absorb all the flavors. Meanwhile, you can have water boiling on the side to add to the lentils. And then put the heat on high and add the water as you go until you reach the desired consistency. That looks good, so we're going to let it simmer for a few minutes. Taste the salt. I added a bit of salt, a bit more of clove spice, half a teaspoon, and I finished off with the butter. Like I said, you can use oil if you're vegan. You can leave the butter out, and whatever else needs to be added, it's yours. Just make it your own. And yeah, and there it is. It looks very beautiful. I personally love cloves, so this stew is just my favorite. And yeah, that's all there is to this video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next one.